Well, the holidays are back, so let's talk about protecting your peace. I want you to remember that this is your life. This is your experience. Don't give away your power to anyone else around you and have them determine your experience. You need to get yourself centered and aligned with your soul. If you keep your controls out here for anyone to just come by and affect you, you're going to be reactive and just taking on a lot of other people's junk that you don't need to, okay? So I want you to be mindful of that as you move through the holidays, where you might be interacting with people that you don't normally. You might be not interacting with people that you would like to. You know, there's so much that goes on with the holidays, and I just want to remind you how to keep your peace, because that's the name of the game, right? So first, I want you to not go out into the world off center. You're going to start yourself out in alignment. And the easiest way to do that is to just sit for just a few minutes. Close your eyes. Put your hands on your heart. Just kind of tune into your heart and kind of breathe into it. You can feel the warmth of your hands. Remember the power of touch, the release of oxytocin. Just breathe into it, almost like you can feel your heart expanding. Then I want you to think about one thing that you love about yourself. And you can say, you know, whatever you want. You can say, I love how kind I am. If any buts come up, I want you to just leave them off for now. This is unconditional love we're talking about, okay? Not, I really love how kind I am, but no, we're just going to leave those off. You just name one thing that you love about yourself. Then think of one thing that you're grateful for. There's always something around you, whether it's just down to the fact that you got to take a warm shower today. Find something and then just breathe that into your heart too. You'll start to feel your heart kind of expand. And I want you to smile and breathe and just keep doing that until you can kind of feel your center just feel it come into alignment. So you start from there. You want to start from this place. You want to act out of love and in alignment with your soul. So then when you're out interacting, it makes it easier to do the next part, which is to become the observer. So especially if you're dealing with people that you wouldn't normally interact with or wouldn't enjoy interacting with, take it from a different perspective this time. Instead of, you know, dreading and anticipating and like, oh, we're going to fight about this, or we're going to, you know, whatever it is you normally do, I want you to switch that off. Go into this alignment. And during these interactions, just become the observer. And if something is said that you don't agree with, or you don't, you know, it would normally trigger you, I want you to just observe it, you know, and just let it pass through and just say, oh, normally this would make me feel angry and, you know, I want to defend myself. Remember, it doesn't matter what other people think of you, and you don't need to respond to everything. You don't need to prove anyone wrong. You don't need to prove yourself right. Act from alignment, from your heart, and in alignment with your soul. And then carry on. This is your life. This is your experience. It's all about the love and peace. Protect your peace. Don't let anyone take that from you, okay? All right, keep breathing into your heart. Remember that this is your life. You are loved. You are worthy of love. What other people think of you does not matter. You don't have to respond to everything. And keep your peace. All right? I'm sending you so much love. If you need anything, I'm here for you. I will talk to you soon.